Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a plaid on Adobe Illustrator. So I just selected 4 colors, you can use 2, and I just made this pattern. Then I'm going to align them like this, and then I'm going to select this icon, make sure it's 0, and then you're going to select this to make it like together, I guess. And I'm just going to make it into more of a square. So I'm just going to add this on, just press shift. Then I'm going to select this and I'm just going to resize it so that it's like a square. And then I'm just going to use shift to make it a little bit bigger like this. Then you're going to select copy on all of it. Select the lock button and shift control V. Whoops. Make sure you add a new layer. Shift control V and you're just going to rotate it. I'm also just going to get this and copy and paste it on the second layer just to make it easier. Alright. Now you're going to then go to swatches and you're going to add the colors one by one here. I'm just going to select new swatch group and press OK. And then I'm going to add the swatches of my colors in there. Whoops. Wrong. Oh, wait, actually it's the right one. Hold on. Come on, put it here. No, down there. There we go. Okay, once you're done, you're going to select object and you're going to select pattern. I'll just select this one, object, pattern, and then select make. And then you're going to press OK, and then you're going to put the width and the height to 20 pixels or 20 points. I think I'm gonna, hold on, redo it. Select cancel. Let's just not select any colors. Object, pattern, make. There we go. 20 by 20. Zoom in. Select the square and then just press on it and then press 5 by 5. Like so. Then you're going to want to use the pen tool to delete the corner here. And I'm going to move it. Okay, I'll move it later. Then I'm going to rotate this one and I'm going to just do that. Copy and paste it and drag it to fill in all of the patterns, like the canvas, I mean. I need to move this to, should I just delete it? Yeah. Okay, and I'm just going to copy and paste it row by row so it's easier. Then you're going to want to remove these lines to make like the pattern, I guess, a little bit more neat, to create like these diagonal lines. You're just going to end up with something like this. Don't press done. Select save a copy. Make sure you've selected the correct color for it. So I'm just going to recolor that if it's different. Save a copy. And I'm going to color it, name it pink. And it's going to go on this swatch. And then I'm going to color it green. Save a copy. And then name it green. Save a copy. Yellow. Okay. And then purple. Save a copy, purple. Press OK, and then select done. Now, you're going to select one of the colors, go to select, and then same fill color, and then you're going to select the pink one, like that. Same with green, select same fill color, and then select the green one. I think that one was the green one. Yeah. Then yellow, again, select same fill color, yellow. And lastly, the purple one, select same pale color, and purple. And you have this really cute plaid pattern on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!